Hey guys, hello everyone on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and welcome to our live challenge 2. If you have missed that live challenge day 1, that's fine. You can still watch it on LinkedIn, YouTube. Go to my channel or go to mentormonkey.com and you can join our live challenge over there. And today's live challenge is actually all about LinkedIn profile optimization, making a LinkedIn profile that's absolutely amazing, that will help you connect with the recruiters. And today we are going to only talk about that. So please make sure that all of your questions are related to finding the job through LinkedIn. So day 1, we actually covered an interesting and amazing topic. We talked about uh, hacking the automated resume scanner or ATS system to get your resume in the portal or to get your resume to the HRs. Today we are going to talk about an absolutely amazing and important technique, which is about making sure that we are getting we are getting you a job through LinkedIn. So tomorrow we are going to talk about how to actually find network and find jobs through LinkedIn. But before that, what we have to do is we have to actually prepare your profile. We have to prepare your LinkedIn profile to find you a job. And that's why we are doing that. For the people who do not understand English, what I'll do is I'll do a repeat telecast. But what I'm sort of saying in context is कि आज हम लोग जो बात करने जा रहे हैं वो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कि आप अपनी LinkedIn की प्रोफाइल को कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हो to find the relevant job to reach the recruiters. If you cannot hear me, then just please let me know in the comment section if I'm not audible. If there's any problem with my audio, please let me know in the comment section. Hi, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining. Those who have joined, please introduce yourself by mentioning your name, what you are doing currently. Are you doing a course or whatever? And where are you from? So people from Delhi, Mumbai, Aligarh, Kanpur, wherever are you from? Are you from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh? Please let me know. Please introduce yourself by entering your name and where are you from in the comment section. And I'll go through all of those comments and respond to you later on. Make sure that you are networking in the comments. Make sure that you are actually putting out where you are from, who you are, and what you expect to get from the session today. So as I said, today's session is all about making sure how you can actually use your LinkedIn profile to attract the recruiters. Because do you know how many recruiters currently use LinkedIn for recruitment? Any guesses? Mention in the comment section. What percentage of recruiters would be using LinkedIn to hire people? What percentage of HR would be recruiting using LinkedIn to recruit people? Put a number. Let's see who gets it right, who gets it very close. Let's see. Put it in the comment section. How many percentage of recruiters would be actually using LinkedIn in their comments? To recruit people or to find people. Let me know in the comment section. And the right answer is 77%. More than 3/4 of recruiters are out there on LinkedIn who are actually looking for jobs or looking for job seekers on LinkedIn itself. आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप लोग टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो कहाँ पर? सीक पर सॉरी आप naukri.com पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो, monster.com पे अप्लाई कर रहे हो. Do you know that 90% of jobs are actually found through networking? जितनी जल्दी आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा. Actually, someone has replied it correctly. Call me. Hello is at 77% Instagram. That's excellent. So as I said, 90% of jobs are not found through applying on Naukri or any other website. They are found through networking. ये सुनने में बहुत अजीब लगता है बट इट्स अ प्रूवन फैक्ट बिकॉज बहुत सारी जॉब्स होती हैं जो कभी एडवर्टाइज ही नहीं होती हैं, एडवर्टाइज होने से पहले ही फिल हो जाती है और हम लोग बोलते हैं यार जॉब्स नहीं है. जॉब्स इस वजह से नहीं है बिकॉज देयर आर पीपल हु नो द ट्रिक, पीपल हु आर क्लेवर देन यू are already finding the jobs through networking. That's something that we actually lack. And today what we are going to talk about is how we can actually find jobs through LinkedIn. So today is the day 2 of our challenge, and day 1 we talked about hacking the resume scanner. Go and watch that video. Now we are going to talk about how to optimize your profile, how to make an absolutely amazing sexy LinkedIn profile so that recruiters get attracted towards it. And then tomorrow we are going to talk about how we are going to uncover the networking. But for us to actually go to tomorrow's session, it's really important that we cover this. I've got some kharres here just to make sure that I cover all of those points. So the very first thing that a person sees on your LinkedIn profile is what? It's your name on your LinkedIn profile. So make sure that your name is correct. So अपन क्या Instagram वगैरह पे YouTube पे तो डाल देते हैं whatever, you know. My first username or my first email ID was maxcoolguy786. I used to actually use that on Yahoo Messenger for chatting with people from America. Like those were old times. We used to go to cyber cafes and used to chat on Yahoo Messenger, and then I used to use my ID called Max Cool Guy. Anyways, LinkedIn is a professional place, right? So LinkedIn is like your CV. It's like it's something that you are putting it professionally. So make sure that your name is official. बहुत basic सी बात लगती है, लेकिन बहुत important बात है. कई लोग इस चीज को नहीं समझते हैं. So make sure that your title is absolutely correct. And the secondly, the thing is your cover profile or cover picture. Now, कभी भी जो आप Instagram पे पिक्चर डालते हो और Facebook पे पिक्चर डालते हो, it should not be the same as your LinkedIn profile picture. देखो Facebook पे when we put a picture on Facebook, it's always something that we want to show to friends and families. Instagram is again for your followers, but LinkedIn is strictly professional, right? So the same way that you get a photo shoot done for your CV, you need to make sure that you get a photo shoot done for your LinkedIn. If you have got a friend who can actually click a professional photo, please do that. Please don't put a selfie on LinkedIn profile. It would not work. It would make it seem extremely less professional. So there are few things about the LinkedIn profile picture. First is make sure that you avoid outfits that are highly colored, like bright colored outfits, right? Make sure that you're wearing formals. And in terms of formal, appropriate color choices are either blue, white, and black. So I generally encourage you to wear like a formal business suit or a business shirt with a nice tie. Or even if you want to go for a casual startup job, make sure that you have got the right colors. So as I said, white colors, black colors, and blue colors generally work fine. And you have to do it on a white background. Do not keep a very fancy background. Either a white clean background or a professional background, so that it gives that professional look. Extremely important that you do that, because it tells what type of character you are, what type of personality you have. Do you have that professionalism in you or not? It's not a funky place to put a funky profile on. It's a nice, decent place. Make sure you've got your nice, decent picture over there. Always remember, the first impression is the last impression. तो अभी तक हमने दो चीजें कवर करी, your name and your cover picture. Okay, now tell me, which is the thing, जब भी आप किसी LinkedIn profile पे जाते हो, what is that thing that actually covers the most space? Whenever you open someone's profile, right? What is that one thing that covers the most biggest space on there? So that's actually the cover picture. और कई लोग जो हैं, अभी भी जाके देख लेना, LinkedIn पे कई लोग जो हैं वो अपनी कवर पिक्चर जो है वो छोड़ देते हैं, या तो अपलोड ही नहीं करते हैं, कुछ भी उठा के डाल देते हैं. How many people right now, mention in the comment section, have got a cover picture that is not professionally designed, like just randomly uploaded? Just let us know. How many people have actually mentioned in the comment section? That's fine. Let's put it out. देखो मैं भी पहले मेरी cover picture जो है, it was not professionally designed until someone actually pointed out to me as well. So there is nothing wrong. There is nothing to be ashamed about being wrong. We all have this thing. Let us know. Just let us know. Share in the comment section. How many of you actually did not have a professional cover picture? And you know why it's important? Because it's a big real estate space. अभी क्या है, डिजिटल स्पेस में इस बात को समझने की कोशिश करो कि सारा गेम जो है वो स्पेस का है. पहले क्या होता था कि जब टीवी में एड्स चलते थे, so it was all about कि 1 मिनट का एड है तो उसका इतना पैसा, 30 सेकंड का एड है तो इतना पैसा. अभी क्या है, किसी भी वेबसाइट में जब एड्स होते हैं तो जो स्पेस आप ऑक्यूपाई करते हो उसका जो है वो सारा का सारा पैसा होता है. स्क्रीन पे द परसेंटेज ऑफ स्पेस दैट यू आर ऑक्यूपाइंग is extremely important. You know, लाखों करोड़ में जो है वो स्पेस बिकता है, right? So you have got this cover picture space that is taking like 25% of your first fold of the LinkedIn screen. And if you're not utilizing it properly, then you are missing out on a huge opportunity. So we can see in the comment section people are reading they've got a cover pic but it's not professional, and that's all right. That's was good to start with. What I want you to do today is, and this is your homework, पहले तो जो आपकी LinkedIn प्रोफाइल थी आज थी उसका टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ योर करंट LinkedIn प्रोफाइल, and then when I tell you to optimize the things, make sure that you do those things and take a cover picture of the other one, and then put it in the comment section, put it in the group as well. Go to mentormonkey.com, post it over there as well, and make sure that you are sharing it on your story or your post and tag me, because if you will tag me, I will share it with my audience, with my network, and it will be exposed to the recruiters themselves. It will create your network, it will help you amplify your message. So make sure that take a picture of screenshot of your updated cover profile and tag me in there, and I'll ensure that I'll share it with all my networks. So how do you actually design that cover picture? So there is a software called Canva. How many of you have used Canva? There might be some that might have, some might not have used Canva. So Canva is a very, very simple and easy tool. You go to canva.com, 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 and you could actually click on create over there, and you will find, or just search for LinkedIn cover image. And once you click on the LinkedIn cover image, then you will find a lot of templates. Just choose any of the template and edit it. It's very simple. It should not take more than 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. Those 10 minutes can actually help you land your job. So after watching this session, go to canva.com, canva.com, and click use the template, create new, and click on the LinkedIn cover image template, and then create your image from there. It's very easy. It's very simple. You can easily do that yourself. So once you do that, the next important thing is your title. Now, title जो है यहाँ पे जो है बहुत सारे लोग मात खा जाते हैं because people don't know what to write in the title. I'll give you a secret formula that works for businesses as well, that has been used by LinkedIn, people who work in LinkedIn as well. It is recommended by LinkedIn marketing executives as well, and it gives you the best result, best output. So what I use is I use a concept of elevator pitch. Elevator pitch क्या होती है कि आप जो है किसी एलिवेटर में, किसी लिफ्ट में चढ़े और आप एचआर के साथ हो, एचआर ने जो है बटन दबाया, 10वें माले पे जो एचआर जा रहा है, और उसके बाद आपने उसे बोला हेलो, एंड देन एचआर वुड रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू एंड से हेलो, हु आर यू और व्हाट डू यू डू, एंड देन जितनी देर में लिफ्ट 10th माले पे पहुंच रही है उतनी देर में यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन who you are, what do you do, and what are you looking for. Who you are, what do you do, or what are you bringing to the table, and what are you looking for. These are the 3 things that you include in the elevator page, and these are the most important thing in your whole resume or in all of your LinkedIn profile. That's what you have to mention in the title. So for example, if you are a content writer, do not put fancy words like I'm creating words with magics or whatever. No, just say, especially if you are I'm a content writer, or I'm a technical content writer. If you're a technical content writer, looking for opportunities in engineering sector, right? Or experienced content writer looking for opportunities in engineering sector. So actually put your intent out there. Experienced mechanical engineer or a production engineer with automation experience looking for opportunities in production sector. Something on that basis where you actually tell who you are exactly, what are you looking for, and actually mention that you are actively looking for opportunities in there. Because what happens is कि एक चीज होती है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि जब रिक्रूटर्स होते हैं ना, दे एक्चुअली सर्च फॉर पीपल एंड दे सर्च, इफ दे आर हायरिंग फॉर अ कंटेंट राइटर दे विल हायर सर्च content writer. If they are looking for digital marketing person, they'll search digital marketing and so on. If you do not write it clearly in your title, they won't be able to find you. Once they find you, they see, okay, 10 डिजिटल मार्केटर्स की प्रोफाइल खुल के आई, आपकी प्रोफाइल में ऐसा क्या डिफरेंट है जो उनकी प्रोफाइल में नहीं है. So that becomes another important factor. What is there in your profile that is not in someone else's profile. तो क्या फॉर्मूला मैंने जो है वो बताया था, मेक श्योर दैट यू रिमेंबर इट. The formula is pretty simple: who you are, what do you do, or what are you bringing to the table, and what are you looking for. As long as you put it there in your title would work absolutely amazingly fine. So we have talked about four things so far: your name, your cover, your profile picture, your cover image, and your title. Now, once we do that, let's talk about the about section. Okay. So बहुत सारी चीजें जो हैं आपके लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पे, आपके सीवी या रेज्यूमे पे और आपके इंटरव्यू में जो है वो एक जैसी रहेंगी. जैसे आपके सीवी में एक सेक्शन होता है where you talk about who you are. LinkedIn about section is about is your story is about who you are, and then आपका जो इंटरव्यू में जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, इट्स अबाउट हु यू आर एज वेल. So in your about section, what you have to do is you have to actually start from where are you at the moment, and in the first paragraph you introduce yourself. So if you look at my LinkedIn profile, I would say that I'm an award-winning CEO, and I own 3 multinational companies, and I've invested in 8 technology startups. And I am the chief advisor to the Minister for Planning of Australia. So that would be my main highlight. And then from there, I would actually talk about my history. There are 2 ways to write your about section. One way is कि आप chronological order में जाओ, एक है आप reverse chronological order में जाओ. तो मुझे reverse chronological order जो है पसंद है. The way you work in reverse chronological order is that you say, okay, you talk about your experience, that your recent experience, the experience before that, and so on. The second way is that you start from where you started. Okay, I am a mechanical engineer, I did my schooling from this, and I did work in this, and so on. So essentially, in your about section, I would actually have 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph would talk about introduction or the summary. The middle 2 paragraphs would be about your history. It could be middle 2 or middle 3, and the last paragraph would be the conclusion and would have the cell as well. So currently, I am looking for these opportunities. If you like to discuss further, please get in touch, and so on. So that would be the ending of your paragraph, ending of your about section, where you would say, currently, I am looking for these opportunities in this sector, and please get in touch with me. Either put your email or contact details if you would like to discuss it further. So first paragraph is your introduction, your highlight. The middle paragraph is your history, and then the final paragraph in itself is the cell. और ये cell वाला जो paragraph है ये बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. So just by actually doing these very, very simple things, you actually make a huge difference in your resume. So once you have done the about section, the next section is your featured section. Have you ever seen featured section on LinkedIn? So featured section is something that comes below your about section, and the featured section in itself, इसमें आप क्या करते हो, इसमें आप वो चीजें डालते हो जो आप हाईलाइट करना चाहते हो. अगेन एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट, इसमें आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स डाल सकते हो, अपने आर्टिकल्स डाल सकते हो, और आप अपने फीचर्ड पोस्ट डाल सकते हो. तो मेक श्योर दैट योर featured section is strong, because it actually gives you the opportunity to showcase yourself, showcase your project, showcase your thinking, showcase what you have done. So make sure in your featured section you mention at least 3 things that you would like to actually show. And now think about some of the achievements that you would like to put in the featured section, and let me know in the comment section. अभी मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा जब तक आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को ये नहीं बताओगे कि ऐसे कौन सा अचीवमेंट है जो अपने फीचर्ड सेक्शन में लिखना चाहोगे या शो करना चाहोगे या डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करना चाहोगे. कम ऑन, क्विकली, हरी अप, लेट मी नो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू वुड लाइक टू एक्चुअली मेंशन इन द फीचर्ड सेक्शन. Okay, so someone has written that they won the first prize in debate competition. That's a good one, especially if you're a fresher, then you can use your extracurricular activities. Okay, someone has mentioned a project, an internship project. Yep, that's a good one as well. I would say rather than writing the internship itself, what you should do is you should at least say, you should mention the specific project that you have worked and what are some of your achievements in there. in the featured section itself. So fired, and I said from YouTube, I said certificate of participation. Yes, absolutely. Someone has said articles, mind maps. I think that's a great example. So if you have done any work, articles, mind maps, portfolios, that is absolutely an amazing example. Certification and project, Shahzad is right. These are the things that you should be actually putting it in your featured section. Now, once you have done our featured section, the next one is your past experience and qualifications. Now, make sure that you have got all of your past experiences covered with your company, your year and role, and what exactly you did there in a descriptive way. तो क्या होता है, सीवी में तो हमें पॉइंट्स लिखने होते हैं, बट दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर यू एक्चुअली डिस्क्राइब व्हाट यू हैव डन. इवन अगर आपने जो है किसी छोटे प्रोजेक्ट पे भी काम किया है, कोई इंटर्नशिप भी करी है, मेक श्योर दैट यू मेंशन इट एंड मेंशन इट इन डिटेल. जब मैं फ्रेशर था, तो व्हेन आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस, I put managing editor in touch college magazine, and then I actually mentioned my experience over there, and then I founded a website. So I said webmaster, amulive.com, and then I mentioned what I did over there, because I did not have a proper work experience. So I actually used that to fill my work experience, and worked beautifully. It worked beautifully for me. So even if you are a fresher and you do not have a lot of work experience, you can use some of your extracurricular work experience and do that. I will take question at the end, but Himanshu has asked a very good question, which is it worth buying a premium membership? I would say no, not as a job seeker. You don't need to buy a premium membership. Don't waste your money over there. Invest your money in actually, like, invest your time getting the right profile, and tomorrow I'll tell you exact scripts and exact tricks on how you can reach out to the recruiters and connect with the people to get a job in 30 days. And we'll talk more about it in detail tomorrow, but you don't need to buy a premium membership. So once you've done your experience and qualifications, pick any top 3 skills of yours in which you think you are the best, and mention them in the skills and endorsement sections. Okay, so that's the exercise for you. Mention 3 skills that you can put in your LinkedIn, or you've already put in your LinkedIn. 3 skills that you can think of that are good at it. Can you think of 3 skills? And once you have done that, what I would encourage you to do is that you ask your friends or your colleagues to endorse you for a particular skill if they think that you are good in it. Now you must all have friends. दोस्त तो होंगे भाई, बहन, दोस्त नहीं है. Of course you will have friends. Make sure that you are connected with them on LinkedIn, and make sure that they endorse you on LinkedIn. Can you think of a friend who would endorse you on LinkedIn? Mention them in the comment section now. Tag them. Just tag them and say, I'm thinking of you. Just say, Amir asked me if there's someone who would endorse you. कोई तो होगा यार, जो एक तो दोस्त होगा ही ना, एक तो जानने वाला होगा who would endorse you on LinkedIn. Tag them in the comment section. Check it out. अगर आप Instagram पे, YouTube पे, I don't care. Facebook पे, I don't care. बाद में देख रहा, I don't care. Tag them in the comment section now and see if they will endorse you or not. Just say, tag them in the comment section and say, can you please endorse me? And then we'll amplify that. We'll mention your LinkedIn profile in the comment section. जितने लोग देख रहे हैं इसको, please go to their LinkedIn profiles after this session and make sure that you are endorsing each other. ऐसे ही तो नेटवर्क बनता है ना. We are all here to help each other. The way it would work is that if we actually work together. So mention your profile in your comment section, tag your friends in the comment section, and let's endorse each other for the skills. Now, once you have done that, your keyword optimized LinkedIn resume is actually ready. So once you have done that, take a screenshot, put it on your story, on your comment, and tag me, and I'll make sure that I'll share it with my network, and tag your friends so that they can share it with their networks. The more you share your LinkedIn profile, the better reach it would have altogether. So once you optimize your profile, as I said, I can assure the analytics will show a significant increase in your reach of your profile. How many of you have ever checked your LinkedIn analytics? If you don't do that, make sure that you start doing that from today onwards. 5 मिनट लगते हैं, जाके देखो एनालिटिक्स पे हाउ योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल इज एक्चुअली वर्किंग. So as I said, the homework for you is, and I've written the kharres for you, so I'll read it out so that it's very easy. So the homework for you is you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile and send a before and after screenshot on the group or on the comments in here or on mentormonkey.com. Wherever you are watching this, make sure that you send a before and after screenshot. If you have not joined our Facebook group, make sure that you join that as well. If you have not joined mentormonkey.com, how many of you heard of Mentor Monkey? So Mentor Monkey is India's first social learning network that I have founded with a lot of professional industry experts. And this is India's first social learning network for job seekers and entrepreneurs. Make sure to go to mentormonkey.com and join it and post it over there. So you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile and send a before and after screenshot on the group. Let me repeat this. The person who completes all the tasks and activities on time will get a surprise at the end of this course. I promise that would be an absolutely amazing surprise. A person who is actually completing all the tasks and activities on time, one person will be selected and they will get a surprise at the end of this course. So make sure you're doing it. Make sure you are going through all the challenges. The screenshot should be on your social media story too, and do not forget to tag me at Amir Kutub, AAMIRQUTUB. If you are on LinkedIn or YouTube, just put it on any of the social media and tag me over there. And in the next session, we'll learn how to use this profile to get connected to the right people and land your dream job. So the next session would be all about using this to land your dream job. Now let's quickly take the questions that we have seen from here. And let's take on the comments. First, I'll take one question from Instagram, and then we'll take questions from other places as well. Okay. Days, please give me a view on this. Is it real? What do you think, sir? Bro, if no one can give you a job in 30 days, you have to actually do the hard work. Even the methodology that I'm going to tell you, it has worked for 80% of people. Tomorrow, I'm going to tell you a methodology. It's not a foolproof methodology, but people have got a job with that methodology in either 30 days or 40 days or 60 days as well. But no one can actually guarantee you a job. So that's my view on that. Now let's take some questions from LinkedIn as well. Please do a webinar how to identify which job posts are genuine. I think that's actually a good idea. I didn't think about it. I'll definitely do a webinar on that. Some people have tagged their friends, which is great. Fired is saying you are doing great things for personality development. Thanks a lot. Shivangi is saying your experience is very relatable. Can't wait to learn it tomorrow. Thanks a lot, Shivangi. Please make sure, guys, you're joining me at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time tomorrow, 11:30 p.m. Australian Standard Time as well. Kritika Jai is saying she won a prize in logo designing. So that's something that you should put in where. So you should put it in your featured section. Make sure that you put it in your featured section. Put a photo of it in your featured section as well. Okay. Syed Ahmed is asking on Instagram, clients appreciation we can mention in feature section. Yes, absolutely. I think it's a good idea to put all the clients appreciation or the testimonial in your feature section as well. Someone is saying, can you please summarize everything at the last, because I've just joined. Okay, guys, for who have just joined, what we talked about was 7 things. I think it's a good idea. I'll just quickly take you through. Number 1, make sure that your title is correct. It's your full name. Number 2, your your profile picture, it should be professionally shot. Not should be same as your Facebook picture. It should be clear, professionally shot. You should wear either black, white, or blue, or a combination of these. I prefer suits or business shirts. Don't make it casual. Number 3 was cover picture. Make sure that your cover picture is designed professionally on a tool like Canva. Do not just upload any picture on there, and make sure there's a bit of text in cover picture that tells who you are. Number 4 is your title of the profile. Use a very simple formula for the title of the profile. Who you are, what do you do or what do you bring to the table, and what are you looking for. So I am a mechanical engineer with expertise in production management and looking for opportunities in automobile sector. That's your title. Keep it clear, have all the keywords that people would search for. Do not write fancy titles that no one would understand or will not come in the job search. The next one here is the about section. Extremely important to divide your about section into three parts. First part is an introduction or summary where you actually give an overview. So for example, I use my example where I said I'm an experienced CEO and I own 3 multinational companies and I have invested in 8 technology startups for 30 million. And I'm the chief advisor to the I'm the advisor to the Minister for Planning in Australia. So that's my main headline or main summary. The next 2 or 3 paragraphs could be about your journey. It could be in a chronological order or reverse chronological order. If you use reverse chronological order, that would be better. And the last line is the sell. So the last line could be, nowadays I am looking for a job change, looking for new opportunities in a mechanical sector, whatever your sector is. Please get in touch with me if you like to collaborate further. So that's the main last punch line. That sell line is extremely important. After that, your featured section is extremely important. Make sure you highlight your achievements over there. Make sure you revisit some people's featured section and make sure that your featured section is updated, your past experience, and then top 3 skills. And most importantly, what I mentioned was tag your friends in the comment section and ask them to endorse you, or reach out to your friends and just ask them to endorse you for your skills. The more endorsed your profile is, the higher it will rank in the search. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about how to use this LinkedIn profile to actually network with people and actually get a job in 30 days. When I say 30 days, you have to work very rigorously, very hard in 30 days. Like out of the people that have followed this, 80% of people have actually found a job within 30 days. Some people, like rest 20, out of that 15% have found a job in next 30 days, which is 60 days. And rest 5% are still looking for jobs. So this process, this formula has got a 95% guarantee. There are no guarantees in the life. But if you follow this formula and if you still don't find a job, then let me know, give me the proof, and I'll personally help you find the job. That's how confident I am about this formula. I'll see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time and 11:30 p.m. Australian Standard Time. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this. Even if you're watching this video later on, please mention your name and where you are from in the comment section. Please let me know how you like this session. And next 2 days are very critical for your professional growth. So see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. guys. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye. So let's end the broadcast.